Doing question 2, the difference between an independent contractor and an employee. Um, the first one, employers have more control over employees than they have over contractors. That is true. And I automatically thought, hey, I got the right answer, but I still had to check the other ones out because I know employers have more control over employees. Employees have to follow rules, and contractors don't necessarily have to abide by the employers. They have no control. Employers have no control over contractors. The second one, I said, well, let's go a little further and look at the other ones. Contractors are usually hired for longer periods of time than employees. No, employees are hired longer. Employees are hired for years and years. If someone's working for someone for years and years, they're an employee. They're not a contractor. The third one, contractors are paid in cash, whereas employees are paid by check. They have to do an invoice for a contractor. So contractors can be paid in check. So I said, no, that didn't sound right. So I went to the next one. Contractors are usually engaged in the same line of business as the employer. I thought about that and I said, why would the employer hire a contractor if they're in the same line of business? So that one just wasn't. I was like, no, let me go down to the next one. Employers supervise contractors more closely and give employees more leeway. I said, nope, that's not true either. Employers give employees no leeway. They give contractors leeway because they're only with them for a short period of time. Employees have to follow the rules as long as they're with their employer. So the answer was employers have more control over employees than they have over contractors. And sorry for the clap. I was killing a mosquito. Thank you.